Well, this is gonna be fun because, okay. The hell is going on? Nobody knows how to merge and this one. Go! Let's go! Down the phone! Call 9 next dive. Playing with the Queen of Hearts. Is that a red light runner? Is that a stop sign runner? Is that a stop sign runner? No stop sign. Too close, you asshole.
Way to the Bourne Rotary. Very slow on Sandwich Road on the way to the Bourne Rotary. Expressway northbound inching along now from Mass Ave into the O'Neill Tunnel.
Great place to park, stupid.
David Scopolino, WBZ traffic on the 3.
What are you doing? It's a one-way, you moron! Idiot! Toyota! Gee. Urgh. Stop sign. Not how it works. Not how it works. Stop sign. Just ignore the stop sign. Okay. The hell are you doing? No, 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 no. Red arrow. No go. God. Another moron on a bad road. Camroid holding up traffic. Camroid because they're a pain in the ass. Asshole, asshole, asshole. He's jumping. He's an asshole. Scumbag! What are you doing, dummy? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're exit diving. Dummy. What's the brake checking for, you shitbag? Mercedes didn't do anything to you. You got a green, go. Here we go? Here we go? What the hell's going on over there? Hey! Hello? Got mirrors? Stop, 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 stop! No! That wasn't a stop at all.
In the presidential debate, the top stories next with Ben Tucker is a lovely
Do you think you're impressing anybody with your crapalier? Cobalt, whatever the frig it is? You ran the red light. Hey. You got blinkers, officer? $3.99. Roll stop because Audi. Roll stop because big ugly white utility van. Whatever the frig. Right. Stop sign Prius. And yeah, good move. Another Toyota. Yeah. Just go, you douche. This biker's gonna jump ahead. Yeah, hey, yeah. Stop sign, Toyota. Pretty sure he, just came up the wrong way and ran the stop sign. Whatevs. Exit dive.
And teenage students often go hand in hand, but this time...
Nice. Is this an exit dive? I think that's an exit dive. Look right at me, lady, and go. No problem.
the morning, and then some lighter showers tomorrow afternoon. Looks pretty nice in this forecast from Brian.
That was an exit dive, wasn't it?
Thursday, that's a switch. Mostly sunny in the forecast.
Dude. Looks like an exit dive coming up here. Yeah, okay. Exit dive in front of a big rig. Oh, gee, what the fucking asshole? Wake up! Drop your cigarette, dude. A little faster, stupid. Crosswalk's right there, lady. Couldn't you use this? No, it's red. It's red, you assholes. It's red. Red means stop. I know it's a shock. No, he's supposed to stop. Stop sign, not DMs.
The reasons why, but I will tell you why that number isn't shrinking. Because A, there isn't a magic pill for weight loss, and B, people think losing weight must be difficult. I can tell you firsthand, losing weight is easy with Awaken 180 weight loss. I lost 35 pounds.
Yeah! Good job, Subaru. I think he ran a stop sign. Let me check that. I wasn't looking. I was looking forward. Funny like that. Funny in a lot of ways. I hope you appreciate it. Nice cutoff, Corolla. Did that ambulance just roll a stop? I don't know why my voice is an octave higher, but did that ambulance just roll the stop? Oh. Stop sign, Mr. Big GMC truck. And Mr. Cabby. Is that Patriot? I believe it was Patriot. Just go right ahead, lady. No problem. No freaking problem here. I'm not approaching. Ran out of stop. Okay. Can you roll this stop? No, because this is first. Oh yeah, you pretty much rolled it. Thank you. Ring, thank you. I was speech stop. People everywhere, the fun, the buzz, the